The ultimate goal is to earn a ton of money from the comfort of your living room while setting your own hours and working on your own grounds. Doesn't that sound great? But if you believe earning money online to be all about that, you're in for a shock. On the other hand, you're in for a pleasant surprise if you're suspicious and believe that no one could really make real money online. The internet is indeed overflowing with false information. I'd also like to help clear up some of the myths that are going around as someone who has built an online-only career over the past 3 years. It's not at all what you imagine it to be. Before moving ahead, you are welcome to NetWealth, the largest YouTube channel about finance and investment. Please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to NetWealth to stay connected. Modern times are characterized by a highly developed technical environment where digitization has permeated practically every industry. Business is most certainly no exception. It is more true, especially in light of the pandemic, that pushed remote working to the forefront and ultimately set it as the new baseline in place of individuals performing traditional jobs and making money for themselves. Additionally, there are other online income options besides those that provide you with remote work. Instead, you can use the many opportunities that are available to you to work from home and make money online by using particular skills. For example, if you have a deep interest in investing and expertise in how to do it, you can buy shares in your best interest to get a return on your investment. Or if you are an expert in a certain skill, you can engage in freelance work related to it and make a respectable amount of money. These are only a few examples of online income opportunities. But the actual question is, how many people truly rely on these ways and select them as a means of income? So many people miss out on taking full advantage of these opportunities because they buy into the myths about earning money online. Let's explore these myths in more detail and explain why dismissing them can help you make the most of the new opportunity. Number 1. Anyone can earn money online. If you've ever tried to make money online under the premise that anyone can do it and failed, disproving this myth can teach you an important lesson. However, in this digital age, everybody has the opportunity to earn money online. However, you must possess the necessary skills to capitalize on the given opportunity. You need to invest a lot of effort on your end to develop certain skills that are in demand in the market and can help you get paid for the task you would do. Number 2. Everything online is a scam. One of the most prevalent myths is this one. Because they are concerned that it might be a fraud, people are extremely hesitant to purchase products or services. Most online transactions aren't frauds. Some reputable products and programs can be quite beneficial. The truth is that online fraud is impossible. The refund policy for the majority of the things you buy online should always provide you with the most peace of mind. For example, if you purchase something from me and I fail to react, you may always visit ClickBank, provide your order number, and their service will initiate a refund request. You are protected. Number 3. People that are teaching online are all liars. Some of this is true and some of this is false. Regarding my life and career, I am incredibly open and honest. I take great pride in my morality. I talk about my objectives and my progress, but many people don't think it's true. However, there are some internet liars. As part of their marketing strategies, many businesses will use celebrities to promote their brands. For example, McDonald's will pay Michael Jordan to advertise their product because the image will attract customers. Many people participate in either. There are several behind-the-scenes activities involved in that. Because of this, I say it's only partially true. But there are so many honest people in the world. Number 4. You can make 100% passive income online. Online passive income is possible, but it is not a permanent source of income because the internet is constantly changing and developing. I currently make 6 figures per year through passive income, and while I may continue to do so for a while, it will ultimately drain away. Why? Because every business needs you to monitor it and, if necessary, change. I don't think it's possible to earn a completely passive income, except in the extremely unlikely scenario where you publish a book and go on to become a best-selling author. Number 5. You can live the 4-hour work week. Although this way of life is possible for a limited time, nobody can maintain it permanently. People that put in a lot of work, like Tim Ferriss, the author of the 4-hour work week, probably work over 60 hours per week, but because they enjoy what they do, it doesn't feel like work. Tim Ferriss could work 4 hours a week, yes, but the idea that you can live in that way indefinitely is false. To keep creating, you must be inspired each morning when you awaken. Spark your passion. Find your calling and follow it. Nelson Mandela once stated, "It always looks impossible until it's done." Work hard and have faith in yourself, and create the life you've always wanted. Number 6. Success in earning money online is all about luck. Online success at making money can sometimes depend on luck, but this is not always the case. If you don't succeed at something you start, it takes a lot of patience and persistence to remain with it. To be able to sell your skills to others who will pay you the same amount, you must improve them. To use it correctly and achieve the best outcomes, you must be smart with your time and money management. You must also deal with the uncertainty that comes with it, being a source of income that is not entirely predictable. Number 7. Only one way exists to make money online. As previously mentioned, there are many ways to make money online and not just one remote 9-to-5 job. You can provide people with a variety of skills, such as web design, blogging, photography, tutoring, transcription services, data analytics expertise, etc., and be compensated for the value you provide. This can be accomplished by taking one-off jobs, freelance opportunities, etc. In addition, you can invest money to generate a return in the stock market, mutual funds, and other similar assets. There are plenty of opportunities available. Simply find what will be beneficial to you and go ahead. Number 8. It's all fun, games, and lattes. It's simple to label someone as a slob who spends the day playing video games and binge-watching Netflix when they claim to work from home. They don't even need to take a shower. They can take a break whenever they want, and they can miss any number of days, right? Not exactly. While it's true that those who earn a living online have more freedom than those who work traditional office jobs, such flexibility can also be a serious handicap. Actually, the majority of those who earn a living online put in just as many hours as a regular job. Therefore, if your job is too demanding and unsatisfying, and you think the solution is to start earning money online, reconsider. In fact, it might be more hectic, and you won't likely make much money for many years. In conclusion, it can be claimed that there are a lot of myths regarding making money online that exist, most of which are probably based on hearsay or personal experience. You need to educate yourself on the truth that lies beneath these myths and test out online job opportunities. And perhaps, in time, that would prove to be a turning point in your life. So, what do you think is the one myth that always stops you from making online money? And if you have any questions about the online money-making platforms, please post them in the comments below. Our channel will keep you updated on productive trending topics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to NetWealth to stay connected. We'll see you again.